Welcome back, guys, to HumpDay Cocktails. I'm your host, Matthew. Today we're going to be doing the One Happy Island drink, the Aruba Ariba, so stay tuned. When visiting Aruba, or commonly called One Happy Island, you are very likely to see the signature cocktail Aruba Ariba. The Aruba Ariba has become a specialty drink for nearly every resort on the island. This drink was originally thought up in 1963 at the Hilton Aruba by bartender Juan Jockey Tromp. Juan remembers being tasked with the responsibility of creating a tall tropical cocktail and settled on pineapple, banana, orange juice, and passion fruit as its base flavors. Finish this off with a slice of pineapple and a cherry, and you're in for a relaxing time on the beach. So how does one put this delicious cocktail together? Alright guys, so let's just get at it. So to start off, of course, you're going to need some ice in your shaker. As you can see, we've already done that. And then next we have 4 different juices that we're going to need to throw in. The first being 1/8 of an ounce of passion fruit juice. The second being 1/2 cup of cranberry juice. A 1/2 cup of orange juice. And then to finish it off, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. All right, and then after that, we're going to need 1/8 of an ounce of creme de banana. Make sure you don't go too far over that because that is some pretty strong cocktail mixer. And then next, 1/8 of an ounce of grenadine syrup. All right, and then after that, we're going to need 1/2 ounce of 151 rum. An 1/8 of an ounce of triple sec. And then another 1/2 ounce of vodka. All right, and then you're going to want to shake it up. Pull over your glass, and then throw some ice in there. Go ahead and pour it in. And then to finish it off, garnish that with an orange slice and a cherry. Your Aruba Ariba. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.